welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe. Today guys, I'll be making some sorrel jam. Yes guys, so I have my sorrel puree here guys that I made the other day. You can look in the description for the recipe on how to make your sorrel puree. Here guys, I have some ingredients. I have some water on the stove boiling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add half of an orange to the water. So just add in our orange guys. And in here guys, what I have half teaspoon of nutmeg and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and I'm just going to add that to the water. So now I'm going to be adding half cup of brown sugar, and I'm using cane sugar. You don't want to keep stirring this guys, okay? So guys, now we're going to add our puree. So now guys, I'm adding 1 cup of my sorrel puree. And I am going to be adding just like 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and I'm using vanilla extract, just like a tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of almond essence. So guys, you just want to make sure that all of this is combined together. And we will be removing our oranges guys in a few minutes. So what you want to do now guys, you want to leave this and allow it to start getting thick and become jelly like. So we're going to leave this for it to reduce, and I'm using high heat at this point, but when it is almost down to that consistency, I'm going to put it on medium low. Okay guys, so it is looking lovely. So what you want to do now guys, you want to remove your orange because we just have this for flavor. So about 10 minutes in the boiling, you want to remove your orange slices. Okay, so after we remove our orange, make sure that there's no seed. You don't want to have any seeds. Pulp is okay, but no seeds. So now we're going to be adding 1/8 cup of pure honey, and you can always add more honey or more sugar if you want guys. It's really up to your liking. If you want it a bit sweeter, of course, you add more or less. So you just want to make sure that you give this a stir guys and leave it to reduce. Okay, okay guys, so our jelly or our jam is ready. This is when you want to remove it from the heat guys, when it's at this consistency. So you just want to leave it there to boil down until it reaches this consistency. So this is what 1 cup of sorrel puree gives to me. I'm gonna put this in a plate and let you see exactly how much we got. Guys, look how thick and lovely this is. So guys, you can eat this with your crackers, you can eat this with your toast. Guys, it is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Thick and nice. And you can put some on your toast, just like so. You want to use like a knife, but look how nice that is, guys. Yummy.